Hello there, this is Mrs. Olson here. I want to go over the directions today for the social studies assessment. This will be your first social studies assessment that follows chapters 3 and 4 in your Northern Lights book for grade 6. And I want to show you where to get there and how to take that assessment. So you're going to want to make sure that you're in your social studies course right here. And if you scroll, you'll see there is a new folder, red folder that says assessments. You'll want to click on chapter 3 for assessment. And then you'll notice the actual assessment is a PDF, and where you turn in your assessment is an assignment. So what I want you to do is click on that assessment and upload that assessment into Notability. All right, by clicking that download there. And what you'll want to do today is make sure that you take out those notes you've been taking for chapters 3 and 4 for Northern Lights. And you may use your chapter 3 and 4 notes from Northern Lights to take this assessment. Your job today is to be able to list 3 ways that the Dakota and Ojibwe are similar and 3 ways that the Dakota and Ojibwe are different. Again, like I said, you can use your notes from chapter 3 and 4 to help you answer the question. Keep in mind that the categories that we talked about earlier, and there were a lot of them, here are some examples. We talked about their jobs, their beliefs, their shelter, their tools. All of these categories are going to help you when coming up with similarities and differences. So think about those categories. Then you'll notice you have to choose from one of those similarities to answer the next question here, which is one way that the Dakota and Ojibwe were similar. And I really want you thinking about, so if you had chosen a job that they did that was very similar, you would say specifically what that job was and tell me more about how the Ojibwe and the Dakota did that job in a similar way and use evidence from the text. Again, you're going to choose one of your differences to elaborate below in this question. So you're going to choose, again, one of the categories. Maybe it was tools that they used that were very different. So then tell me exactly what tool, what it was, and then how the Dakota tool was different and how they use it in comparison to the Ojibwe tool. So that would just be an example. Once you are done, like I said, make sure that you upload this assignment or this assessment and you put that back into this actual assignment. So you'll do the PDF and then you'll upload your assignment and submit it here. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'd be happy to help.